Congress? That's the question which political circles are asking here in Bengal and also nationally. Now, the fact that this Ajikar incident took place, there are 3 to 4 leaders who have said certain statements or given certain statements that actually does not throw the administration in good light. And top of that, from Kunal Ghosh to a lot of other young leaders, they have been posting that they need Abhishek Banerjee to be active. Now, is he not active? That is also another question. If we look back to the Lok Sabha polls result, you will see that the urban area Trinamool Congress did not do well. And sources in TMC, sources close to Abhishek Banerjee, tells News 18 that the fact that this urban performance was not good, something was told by Mr. Banerjee that the person who are not good performer, they should back out. That is the sources inside the party telling News 18. And after that, he went for his eye checkup in abroad. And then when he came back, it was 21st July, he said that there will be massive changes in the party. After that, suddenly like an earthquake, RG Kar incident happened. Abhishek Banerjee was very vocal in his speech in Parliament. He gave a wonderful speech which was talked about, and Mamata Banerjee herself has praised the speech by Abhishek Banerjee. After RG Kar, the last tweet that Abhishek Banerjee did was the day when RG Kar was vandalized. Before to that, he gave a comment that people who have done such heinous crime, law should come, and after a law should come which actually should put the person who has done the wrong thing, should be hanged and capital punishment should be given. But law should come. If law comes, then center, state is going to, the Trinamool Congress is going to support it. And after that, when the vandalization took place, he tweeted that being as a MP, public representative, I am requested CP to go there and all the culprits should be put to task. Number of arrests is 37. But after that, we saw that Shantanu Sen, who was an arch rival of Dr. Chandip Ghosh, he came up with statement that Chief Minister, there are a lot of bad things which goes on in the RG Kar and Chief Minister has not been briefed about certain health things. After that, he was removed from the post of spokesperson. Then Kunal Ghosh raised certain questions which was raised by doctors in opposition. Why was the principal reinstated? What was the requirement of having such a structure just opposite to the crime scene? Why derby match was cancelled? Why miscommunication took place in hospital? And he said that certain of these steps has really put the party in the back, embarrassed the party, and Abhishek Banerjee should be active. That means Abhishek Banerjee was not active, is not taking part in day-to-day affair. That's what we are getting it from the sources. And last, Shukendra Shekhar Roy, he also came out with protest, wrote letter to Amit Shah, and lastly he went to say that the commissioner should be taken into custody. Now that is also not supported by Kunal Ghosh. But the thing is that, and he has approached court, his lawyer has said that it's a police state, it is an excess of police. But along all these things, the question is 3 to 4 rebel leaders and the inactiveness of Abhishek Banerjee. What does this say? That's a very big question. Really have to wait because how things are, we'll come to know in few days. But right now, the party which continues to tweet, is that party continuing to tweet that much? That's a very, in every crisis, that's a very big question. And that question is going around the political circle.